Hello ladies and gentlemen, mostly gentlemen, my analytics tell me. This is a video that contains 3 points. So the first point is, if you haven't noticed already, fair warning, there's going to be a little bit of drop off in content. There already has been for the last week, and for another 2 weeks there will be. I don't know if you can tell from my accent, but I'm Australian. I live in New Zealand, but I'm from Australia, and my mum still lives in Australia. I haven't seen her in 4 years, and she's currently here visiting me. So she's been here almost a week already. She's got another 2 weeks to go. So during that time when she's here, I won't be editing videos. I am still working, I've still got jobs on, I'm still filming stuff, so I'm collecting footage to edit videos, but I won't sit down and actually do that until she's gone, because I'd like to spend my time with her instead of in front of a camera. Sorry, there was a car driving past. So yeah, that's the first point. Just expect a bit of a down before the content goes up again. The second point would be, I thought during this downtime I'm getting a lot of questions in the comments about fixing boards and boxes and fiberglass and poly and epoxy and all that stuff, and I'm trying my best to stay on top of that and answer those questions as they come in. But I did think in this down period, maybe if you've got questions pertaining to surfboards and repairs and shaping and fiberglass and stuff, feel free to ask them in the comments of this video, and maybe in a week or so I can do another video similar to this but with a microphone, so the audio is not so bad, but I can answer those questions. And then I did think too, if you've got any video suggestions, something you want to see, whether you're doing it yourself or you're just curious about how it works, feel free to leave them as well. I think one of the big challenges with this YouTube thing is getting to know you guys and girls and what kind of level you're at. Are you absolute beginners? Do you have some kind of fiberglass history or experience? If you've been doing it for 30 years, trying to know my audience and who I'm actually making videos for is going to be really helpful. So if you have things you want to know or video ideas, let me know then in the comments too. And the third point of the video would be to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed and left likes, comments, shared the videos. It's really cool to see, and I'm glad they're helpful for some people. Even if you're not doing a future box installation yourself, it seems like people are getting something out of it just knowing how it works and what the inside of a surfboard looks like. So it's really cool, and the goal is, of course, with anything, to do it properly if you're going to do it. So the goal with the YouTube channel is to build it to a worthy size and to produce content with some sustenance to it and that helps people. So that's the goal, but it's happening quicker than I thought it would, if I'm honest, and that's it's really cool to see, and so thank you is what I'm trying to say. I don't like sitting in front of cameras and talking to walls and lenses. It feels really weird, so apologies for my awkwardness. But other than that, like I said, if you got questions, leave them in the comments, and maybe in a week or so I'll sit down like this again and I'll answer those questions. And if there's anything I haven't done, there's heaps I haven't done, but if there's a video you want to see, put it in the comments and I will endeavour to do a video on it. Cheers guys, enjoy. Choo-hoo.